Hello, my name is Andrew. Nice to meet you all. Today I'd like to showcase to you my latest and greatest website called the Garden State Careers. So what is this site? What does it do? Well, simply put, this is a proprietary website which A helps people brush up on their knowledge of LeetCode. And what is LeetCode, you might ask? It's the set of questions they ask you during any technical interview, and B helps interviewers and recruiters find their potential interns, not based on the good words nor their resumes, but rather based on all the skill sets and abilities that they will display on this very website. So let's get to it. Okay, so from the get-go, we are prompted to give away our email. Whoops. As you can see, the website already remembered me, so it went straight to the landing page. So let's get back and let's give it an email that it hasn't seen yet. Let's do Andrew. Okay. After that, we are prompted to choose whether we are students or a recruiter. Let's go with student. Needless to say, the registration process for a recruiter will be different, but let's just go as a student for now. Thank God we have autofill already. So I'm already a computer science student. Let's choose this email. Let's go with the one. Let's go with another one. Okay, so this is basically the main page where we are going to be tested for our LeetCode knowledge. As you can see, we have a very small dashboard of all the questions and problems we have solved. I just finished this, so I didn't really have that much time to solve it. As you can see here, we are also this is basically taken from the database and shows how many medium and how many difficult and easy questions there are in total. And these are all the questions which we can do. Let's choose the simplest one, two-sum, here. So as you can see, this side gives you a brief description and explanation of how you should solve the problem, the inputs and the output sequence, another explanation, the inputs and the answer. So my website can technically take in 3 programming languages: Bash, Python, and C++. But for the sake of this demonstration, let's just go with C++. Thankfully, I already solved this two-sum problem. Let me just copy this, paste it right over here, and so technically, what is two-sum? Let's just go through this problem real quickly. Basically, the two-sum problem is the problem where you have to go through a specific list and find 2 numbers which add up to the target. In this case, 9. So in this case, it's going to be numbers 2 and 7 under index 0 and 1. Let's run it. As you can see, we are getting this output, indices of 2 numbers, 0 and 1. Good. Let's go back. Sorry. Let's choose the two-sum. We can go through other problems. We can go through the longest palindromic substring. We have this problem right over here which we can solve. But let's just work a little bit on the two-sum once more, just to showcase that it actually works. So let's change the criteria a little bit. Here, 9. Let's do this number to be 11 and this number to be 7. So our answer is going to be 0, 0 and 2. Run. 0, 2. Yeah. So that's basically what this site does. After every single answered question, basically all of your information is going to be gathered in a specific container, which can be simply put, and this container is going to be automatically updated with the best solution yet. So the beauty of this website is not actually in the client phase, but rather in the backend phase. So this way you not only have your name, you not only have like your name tethered to that solution which you did, to that very unique solution which you did, but you also get a unique ranking to that. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. That's the entire project.